Kaka nyalo yudo seche gi ma jopuonjre mag grade 10 donjo e sikunde mopogore mag secondary mamalo ng'ur nitiere kaluwore kod chenro mantiere mar tiego jopuonjre go. Maendi en bang' yangore ni moko kuom sikunde onge kod lony mar chiwo tiegruok mowinjore ne jopuonjre go, ka wach buge monego giti godo bende ikoni pok oyangore maler. George Oko nigi ler mar wachni.
Ng'ur osechako nyiedhore e wi chenro mar somo mageto jopuonjre mag grade 10 masani donjo e sikunde mag sekondar mamalo e thuolo mokwongo. Ma en kaluwore kod gino mikoni en onge mar ikruok makare to chutho ne jopuonj madhi tiego jopuonjre ma kamago. Riwruog jopuonj ma KUPPET bade ma Mombasa koro nyiso luor margi e wi kaka gibiro tayo somo ma kamano ka onge ikruok malong'o.
We have been given learners for STEM subjects, particularly electricity, aviation, marine science, and etc. Where are the teachers to teach these subjects? You don't bring us learners, and there is nobody to teach those learners. How will we teach aviation without a teacher to teach aviation? How will we teach marine science without a teacher to teach marine science?
The independence of the JS schools in Kenya will be the beginning of the success of the CBE curriculum in all the schools in Kenya. We are urging the president to rethink and replan and also give directives to the Minister of Education that they go to these schools and see what is happening.
Giywak ni kata obedo ni pek mar lony mar CBC ne oketi e lwetgi, piny owacho bende pod orem chopo singo mar ndiko jopuonj mosebedo katiyo kaka kojolo.
We also want ourselves also to live a standard life. A teacher cannot be expected to teach in a class while you are suffering, while you are hungry. We are really pleading with you. These teachers have really served this country for a whole year diligently, and you can see from the result that was released. Kindly please find a place in your heart, employ the 20,000 teachers.
From tomorrow, we are starting going to the streets in all over the 47 counties in Kenya. We want to say, President, if you want us to travel to Singapore, the Singapore must start from confirmation of the 20,000 teachers.
We are calling for autonomy in administration of the junior school. We are also calling for autonomy in sports and other activities in the junior school sector.
Magina giwacho kama kukum jotend sikunde bende ywak ni nyaka sani pok giyango buge mowinjore giti godo ne jopuonjre madonje grade mar 10 gino ma bende koro bago thoth jonyuol ni mar gikia buge ma onego ginyiew.
We need resources. That is key resource is the textbook for the grade 10. How I wish the publishers take that opportunity and supply this book in advance and make sure that we don't have a challenge what we experienced previously where some books were outdated or they were not rationalized. We had to go back to shop buy another one.
George Aoko, Ramogi TV, Mombasa.